Well, the Union Budget 2024 is around the corner, and the government has made it clear that their focus area, except for women, is also on the youth and employment. We are here to understand from the youth of the country. We are here at the GIMS Kalkaji to understand from the students what they want, what are their expectations, right from entrepreneurship to a sustainable economy to jobs and employment. So we are joined by a lot of students from GIMS Kalkaji. Let's go to speak to them and understand what their expectations from Nirmala Sitharaman is. We'll start with you, sir. What is your name?
Hi, good afternoon. I am Bhanu Sharma. I'm in the first year of PGDM.
Bhanu, what are your expectations from Nirmala Sitharaman's upcoming budget?
Okay, like to be frank, I aspire to be a young, successful entrepreneur, and I expect the government shall focus on the Section 54F, which is essentially tax exemption on the sale of any property, which is then reinvested in startups. I believe that this will help increase many more startups in youth specifically, and I think even it will help in small towns, which are mostly overlooked by venture capitalists.
So a push on the startup economy. India has done a lot in the startup economy, but there needs to be more work, and that's what the youth of India is focusing on. I'll come to you. What is your name?
Hi, my name is Himangi and I'm currently first year PGTM student. I also feel India should try to be a global manufacturing hub. It should promote entrepreneurship as well as right at this moment climate change is a big issue. So India should work towards it, like bring climate efficient technology and climate resistant crops. Also tourism should be promoted, like Swadesh Darshan should be it should be promoted and people should come in India, which gonna definitely help in economy.
So basically a sustainable economy, sustainable development goals, and also entrepreneurship, a push on entrepreneurship. What do you want to say?
Hi, my name is Arpit Raju, currently pursuing first year PGDM program from GEMS Kalkaji. So as my colleague said, like I also feel like India should focus more on the sustainable development. Like there is many climate issues that is happening, rainwater harvesting should take place more efficiently so that there is no water scarcity happening here.
Okay.
So I feel like sustainable development and sustainable utilization of resources should be taken in care.
Okay, so we recently saw a lot of rains and a lot of havoc on the roads of the national capital, but yet scarcity of drinking water. Would you want to add something? What is your name?
My name is Rupashi. I am first year PGDM student. I want to ask from the budget that Nirmala Sitharaman ma'am should focus more on providing vocational training courses to the youth, as the current job market recruiters look for a skilled workforce. So the skilled workforce will always help in development of the country. So that's my point.
Very important point there. Basically, there is a scarcity of skilled labor right now in the industry, and the students want that the finance minister should focus on skilling of people. I will come to the front row now. Let's start from there. What is it that you want from the finance minister?
Hi, my name is Ananya and I'm a PGTM first year student from GEMS Kalkaji, and I want government to increase the more government job opportunities for the students, as the youth population is very vast, but the opportunities which they bring for us is very low. So I want them to increase the job opportunities as well as to do something more for the general caste people, right? Because the SCs and STs are taking all the benefits and whatever the preferences they are getting, but the general capable people are not getting that.
Okay. So an increase in the government jobs, as the number of youths in India goes up, the jobs remain an issue of concern. Anybody else who wants to speak from the front row? What is it your
Hi, my name is Purvi. I am a PGDM IB student, first year. I want to focus more on sustainability department as well. There should be more EV, more of EV vehicles.
there should be a push on electric
Yes,
vehicles.
yes, and tax reduction as well, and more subsidies for EV vehicles. That is continuing.
Yeah, so the electric push that the government has already done with FAME schemes, but there should be added push on that front. I'll come to the front row. If you can give me a little space, I will just start with you. What is it that is your name?
A very good morning, ma'am. My name is Devansh and I'm currently a first year student here at PGDM and GIMS Kalkaji. My main motive is that the budget should be more employment oriented.
Okay.
As we all know that unemployment is a major crisis here in India, and NDA government also printed in their manifesto that they will create a lack of jobs in this upcoming financial year. So I think that more and more jobs should be created, and as what initially my friend Bhanu has said, entrepreneurship should more be focused. As a result of which more and more jobs will be created, and eventually that gonna affect they're gonna increase our economy, help in promoting GDP, help in growing overall consumption and demand and supply here in the country as well.
Yeah, absolutely. So employment remains a concern. The students want the government to focus on increasing job opportunities for young people. I'll come to you. What is your name?
Hello ma'am, my name is Harshit. I am currently pursuing PGDM from JIMS Kalkaji. I think it's great to see government's focus on MSMEs, supporting MSMEs, as well as tax reform, working on tax reform. Because as MSMEs companies will work continuously, it will bring growth in the business, as well as I would say this will help government to get budgeting as well.
Okay, so some tax reforms for MSMEs and continued focus on their growth, on the growth of small and micro and medium enterprises. What is your name, sir?
Myself Sarthak Aroda, and I'm pursuing PGDM International Business. And the only thing I would like, or one of the things I would like our government to focus on is healthcare. As I've read it online, like on Instagram or something, that there is a temple in every 5 kilometers, but there's not a single hospital in every 20 kilometers across India. Or maybe that has changed so far now, but still that's a concerning fact in my opinion, that we put religion above. I'm not saying religion is bad, it's just we have to take care of our humans as well. That's how our economy and our country will grow.
Absolutely. So renewed focus on healthcare, very important point there, because healthcare has seen a lot of capex going in, but still there is a lot of work to be done. Ma'am, I'll come to you. What is your name?
Hi, myself Khushi Nagar. I am a PGDM student at JIMS Kalkaji. So like what I would want from budget is the government should promote consumption, which will like lead to boost in employment as well. So this is a circle. Like if even CII suggested that lower income group should be like redempted from tax. So yeah, that is what I would want from the budget.
So, a policy reform in taxation to increase consumption. We have heard a lot of points today and a lot of important points, from sustainable development goals, from water crisis, from EVs, a push on electric vehicles for a better environment, from MSMEs to taxation to startup economy. There's a lot of things that the youth of India, the students of India are looking forward to in the upcoming budget. That's all we have for you from here at the JIMS Kalkaji. Signing off, this is Shivani Bajaj from CNBC TV 18.